Hi everyone, Captain Mark. Today's review is on the Deebot 500 Smart Wi-Fi Robotic Vacuum Cleaner by EcoVac. So let's go around the box and see what it says about it. It's app controlled, automatic charging, stair safety technology, anti-collision system, and advanced scheduling. It has a max mode for maximum suction. It has a 3-stage cleaning system for both carpets and floors. It has an easy-to-use app for Android and Apple, and it also has a remote for manual driving. And it's compatible with Alexa and Google Home. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. I'm very excited about using this one. And we have the welcome to EcoVac's family, the robotic manual. Set that up there. Look in here. Let's pull this thing out. There's all kinds of things in here. Okay, this appears to be the base charger. Yep, it's the base charger. Really cool looking. Here we have the brick or power cord for the base charger. Oh, it has a nice long cord on it. Here we have spare brush, I'm sure for the vacuum. And here we have the remote. Sweet. Nice. Turns the vacuum on, sends it home, says it's a schedule, and that's play and pause and direction arrow. Okay. Let's pull this out of here. We have some brushes. So that one must be a cleaner. Comes with some brushes, spare brushes. Set that over here. Comes with the batteries. And this must be a cleaner for cleaning hair out of the brushes and so forth. Okay, so let's set this out of the way and take a look at our vacuum. Oh, this is cool looking. Okay, let's take a look at the vacuum. Pull that off. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought. That thing is huge. What do we have here? Okay, so on the bottom side of it, you can see we have the wheels and the brush for picking up stuff. This is a swiveling wheel on there. These are for the wire, like for the closeness to the wall brushes. I'll have to mount those on there. And what else do we have here? We have some packing foam, it appears. Took that out of there so it can maneuver. This must be the electrodes or contacts for the charger here. It runs underneath and makes contact and charges the battery. This must be our compartment. Yes, it is, for emptying out the vacuum. Pull it open. Cool. Nice. And it also has a high efficiency HEPA type filter in it. So keep the dust down. Very nice. It's got a matted type rough finish to the top. Here's your start button for it. I'm going to take this off because these are for the protector. Get off there. Get out of the way. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so that dropped the wheels down. And around the sides, plastic. Here you have your intake air coming in. And here you have the display on the front that picks up objects in its way or checks to see if there's stairs in front of you. Oh, this is really cool. This is a bumper to keep it from crashing into something. You bump off it and keep moving. A Lomar fingerprint surface on the top. Okay, now we're going to set up the app. I downloaded the Ecovacs app and we hit next. And read those both. Okay, I successfully registered. Add a robot. 500 series. So it says to set up the app, you have to turn on the device, and the button is on the side to turn it on and off. And you can see this is the Wi-Fi signal right here. I have turned it on. Click. It says press again if you don't hear the sound. I heard the sound. I've heard the sound beep. Click. Okay, go to settings. Go to Wi-Fi settings on your phone and pick up the network, which starts with the EVACs. Come back to the connection. Okay. So we're going to come down here and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for our Wi-Fi. And it's going to be the Ecovac. There it is. Click it. Let's see if I can get you a better picture. There we go. And we're logged in. So now come back to the app. Okay. Go to settings. Now we're making the connection, the Wi-Fi connection. 51%, it's moving quickly. It's going quick. There we are, we're done. Setup is done for the Wi-Fi. Perfect. Now we're online. Let's click the bot. Random mode set for free cleaning. This does the entire house. We don't want that. That's neat. Find my Deebot 500, my vacuum. You also want to spot clean. It will do a circular pattern throughout the room. Or does it do? No, just the room. So pretty cool, I'd say. So let's go try it out. I've got it all set up with the app. I'm going to program it to do a small room of cleaning, my living room, and we'll give you a bird's eye view of it while it's running. And we're going to hit the on button right now. And there we go. Wow. It's quiet. Look at that, it picks it up. Cool. And we'll just watch it for a little bit. It's on its merry way. I'm hoping it stays in the area here. Here we go. Look at that, that's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna love it. Scoop it up, little vacuum cleaner. Scoop it up. Running in a few obstacles. Here we go, picking up. I've got my Captain Merc review sticker on it. Pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. Picking it right up. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Okay, I'm going to push the return home charging mode. Oh, it moves nice and slow. Well, it knows where that charger is, doesn't it? Let's see if it backs up and docks itself. it's nice and slow. Look at that. It's amazing. Guiding itself right into the charging base. Wow, this is so cool. Put yourself away, little robot. Look at that. All set, all done. So that's my review on the Ecovacs Deebot 500 vacuum cleaner with maximum power suction. Up to 110 runtime minutes. Does hard floors, carpeting, pet hair. Has app control, which is really cool. I could drive that thing all around with just the touch of a button. Self-charging. It's very quiet, as you heard. It's large, a lot larger than I thought. It's pretty cool. And it's the black. I like the black color. I purchased this on Amazon for $159.99, and I'll leave that link down below, so if you want to get it, you can. Easy access to it. Also, I'm going to give this a Captain Marks 5-star review because I could not find any flaws in this vacuum cleaner. It did the job very, very nicely. So if you think this information was helpful and useful in deciding whether you want to purchase this equipment or any of the other items on my channel, why don't you give me that thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget the bell to the right, my left, to get all my upcoming videos. Again, this is Captain Mark saying thank you for watching.